In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link to another page in Notion. Start by opening Notion in your browser and going to the page where you want the link to appear. This is important because in Notion, a page link is added inside the page you're currently editing. Once you're there, click anywhere in a blank area of the page where you want to insert the link. If the cursor isn't active, Notion won't know where to place the new block. Now type / then link to page. In other words, type link to page. This opens Notion's block command menu and helps you quickly insert a link to an existing Notion page. From the menu that appears, click Link to Page. If you don't see it right away, keep typing a little more of the phrase until the correct option is filtered and visible. Be careful not to choose a web bookmark or another link-related option, because those do something different. After that, Notion will prompt you to choose the page you want to link to. Start typing the name of the page, or click it from the list if you already see it. In this example, you would click the page called Mermaid. As soon as you select it, Notion inserts a page link block on your current page. You should now see the linked page name displayed on screen, and you can click it anytime to open that page. If you want, you can click the linked page name to test it, and make sure it opens the correct page. If it opens the wrong page, simply delete the block and repeat the same steps with the correct page selected. And that's how you link to another page in Notion. Thanks for watching.